Day 18, video 3. Okay. Made lots of mother dishes for the party. The mother made lots of dishes for the party. Two wheels has a bicycle. A bicycle, the first, has second, two third, and right in the fourth. In this sentence, the mother, the right in the first, mother second one, made third, lots of fourth one, dishes for party fifth. Fourth, nest in birds make trees. Birds make nests where in trees. Arrange them. Rewrite the sentences in your English B notebook. Fifth one sentence. Love to watch grandfather and I cartoon channel. So write G capital. This is the first sentence, first word. Grandfather and I love to watch. Second, love to watch cartoon channel. This is third one. Okay, do the next 13, page 13. Read the following sentences. Put full stop after a telling sentence and a question mark after an asking sentence. First one. Did you finish your homework? So, a question mark because this is an asking sentence. We shall go for a movie next Saturday. Telling sentence. Red Riding Hood carried a basket of fruits for her grandmother. Telling sentence, put full stop at the end. When will the summer holidays begin? Question mark. Complete these sentences with words your choice in your notebook. But don't write in your notebook, do on book. First one. Cats love to drink what? Drink milk. I saw lots of flowers in the garden. Did you borrow? Borrow mean udhar lena. Did you borrow any book from the library? Fourth one. Maria has a pretty doll. Extended exercise. Rewrite this passage by using capital letters and full stops. Okay. But don't rewrite in your notebook, just do on book. Let's start. Last, first letter always capital. Last Sunday. We can write Sunday also capital because it's proper noun. Last Sunday my friend Jojo. Write capital J and again capital. Jojo came to play with me. Put full stop at the end. We both pulled out different clothes from the cupboard. Telling sentence and put full stop. I wrote, write capital I wrote my mother's, I wore my mother's dress and high-heeled sandals. Put full stop at the end. Write M capital. My friend wore my red frilled skirt and my party shoes. Put full stop at the end. Write capital W. We both went up and down the rooms like two fashionable ladies. Put full stop at the end. Write again capital I. I was enjoying myself when we can put full stop. When suddenly, comma, I tripped and fell with a loud thud. Put full stop at the end. Do this exercise on your book. In the next lecture we do singular plural.